Shanes of GW in 5th. Bora of Marshall 6th. 7th, Kate Bradish of James Madison, another of the freshmen. Bradish from Langhorne, Pennsylvania, Neshaminy High School. And again, Garrett finishing 10th for JMU. Casey Bogue finished 8th for the top 8 finisher. Faith Ford ended up finishing 12th among the group at 10:38.62. There were a total of 26 racing today. All right, we move on to the men's 3,000 meters. And it looks like we've got 16 runners in this field. We'll get them as they come across here and let you know who's actually in this race. Christian Zalwislak of Loyola, 33.15. We'll just give you the names first time around here. Austin Brodemarkel of GW. Jackson Geisendaffer of VMI. Wesley Caucus Quinn of GW. Michael Burns of Loyola. John Duvall of Marshall. Brady Dawkins of Marshall. Dennis McNamara from Loyola. Andrew McCabe and Aiden Williams of GW. Khalid Hamid from Hampton. Zach Tremble, he is unattached. Patrick Kiernan and Peter Fiorillo, beg your pardon. And Aylin Oberleis from Loyola of Maryland. I think we got them all. So Wislack leading the pack, 1:45.64. Brodemarkel, he is second from GW, 1:45.86. Caucus Quinn of GW in third, 1:46.03. Only one heat of the men's 3,000 meter. And the record here, Hunter Jutras of George Mason in 2021, 8:28.70. And quite the pack crossing together there at the finish line. while for the times to update. All right, while they're hustling on around, let's take you to some earlier activity today and check in on the men's long jump, which a couple of Marshall Thundering Herd athletes won it today. Addison Painter from Marshall, a leap of 7.41 meters. That's a 24 feet 3 3/4 inches. Grant Swider of Marshall finishing in second place. So a 1-2 finish for the Thundering Herd. Keandre Midget of VMI took third, and then you had Cole Miller placing fourth. So for Midget, it was 7 meters flat, and Miller 6.75 meters. Jordan Hall of Virginia Wesleyan, good jump of 6.56. He finished in sixth. This is Midget here. Again, the winner, Addison Painter. Thanks of all again for the camera operators hustling around this morning, trying to get some of the activity and honing in on who we thought might be the victors, and picked a few of them out earlier today. And again, thanks to the crew from Telemedia Productions for their efforts here throughout this Saturday in the Shenandoah Valley. That is Zawislak still leading the back. Don't have an update on his time, but you can see around the 6.5+ minutes mark at this point, and he's got 3 on his hip from GW. That should be Brotmarkle, Quackus, Quinn, as well as McCabe. That grouping of revolutionaries right behind. Wislak. Brotmarkle, I believe that's him that has taken the lead. Don't quote me on it, but I think that is Brotmarkle that has taken over. As now you also see coming into the mix there John Duvall from Marshall. And we're on the bell lap. So some moves made during that last lap on this race. Good idea for Marshall to come here, bringing both the men's and women's teams, as they'll be competing here for the Sun Belt Championship. Arkansas State, one of the top programs in the Sun Belt for both men and women's track and field. Couple of teammates battling it out. We'll confirm who the winner is, and it is Brotmarkle. So Austin Brotmarkle, a personal record of 8:45.75. 8:45.75. That puts him third all time at this facility. And Wesley Caucus Quinn, 8:46.30, puts him at fourth all time at this facility. John Duvall finishes in third from Marshall, 8:48.38, so he is fifth. So we slide in quite a few, and McCabe, a little distance there. Andrew McCabe of GW finishes 8:55.92. That puts him, it's going to slide him up to